Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We have learned how to draw minions last week. Shall we draw the young guru today? Go grab your pencils, and we will get started. Let us start by drawing the head first. Draw a semicircle. Then, leave some space at both ends. And draw an inverted one below. Next, we shall add in the ears and nose in the space just now. Draw an inverted U and a small curved line inside. Draw Guru's pointed nose using V. Then, add in the eyebrow with two small curved lines. And we will move on to Guru's sleepy eyes. First, draw an open rectangle, followed by a small curved line inside. Add in a mini V and shade it. Let's work on the other eye now. Draw a small curve, then add an inverted semicircle. Add in another smaller semicircle, followed by a mini V. We will draw a little tick to represent his mouth. Don't he look like the older guru now? Let's add in his hair to make him the younger guru. Draw a bigger semicircle across the head. Then make a small dent in and down to where the ear is. Add in his stray hairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us draw his scarf now. First, draw 2 zigzag curves at both ends. Then a big semicircle to close the gap. Then a rectangle down. We will move on to draw the jacket now. Draw a small rounded corner, then a curved line down, like so. Add a line across from the scarf to join. Now, we can draw a rectangle from the scarf to the middle of the jacket to create the underneath layer. Moving on, we will draw his sleeves. Draw a rounded corner, followed by V. Then a small curved line in the middle, like so. Next, add in the pocket and the button. Draw the inner layer shirt. We are done with the head and body. Let us work on Guru's legs. Draw 2 curves at both ends of the body. Then add in a big W. And 2 mini rectangles for the pair of socks. Now draw the guru's pair of shoes. First, draw a small curve, followed by a big one, like so. Then a line across. Add a V. Join it with an inverted 7. Let's do it again, but a smaller one this time. Semicircle. Line across. V. Inverted 7. We will finish off by touching up on the scarf. At the side of the jacket, draw a small rectangle. Next, add in the design for the scarf using multiple lines. You have learned how to draw the young guru now. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Please help me like, share, and subscribe.